Hi, today I have Oppo A40 and I want to show you how manage your Google passwords on this device. To manage our Google passwords, we must open Google Chrome application and tap on three dots on the right corner. In it, we choose settings there and tap on Google Password Manager. And there we have password which our smartphone remember. To manage it, we click on maybe our booking. Now we must enter our look screen to get connect to this passwords, and there we can copy our username and copy our password using this first icon, or after we press this size icon our smartphone shows us password which remember. You can also share this password to someone using this feature, or edit something by tap on edit, and there we can add note or edit something in our username on password. But remember, when you change something, press save. The last thing which we can do with this password is delete it by delete and confirm by delete again. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.